Okay, so this is how awesome FTPloy is. So much better than FTP. Basically, it lets you deploy from your Git repository using either Bitbucket or GitHub. I'm using Bitbucket. So here's my development environment for my site, okay, in tab 1. Tab 2 is my live site, smoothtek.net. And just for the sake of this example, I've added these underline styles to my anchor tags in my post meta, and it's on my local and my remote. So I'm going to jump over here real quick to Tower, which is my Git client that I use, and I've got a develop branch and a master branch. So FTPloy, whenever I commit, or push rather, whenever I push from the master branch, FTPloy will deploy the code to my live site, which is really cool. So real quick, let me just make this change. I'll jump into my code editor and I'm going to remove this underline. Okay. Save the file. I'll let this compile real quick. Okay, so let's jump back over to the local site and you'll see the underline's been removed, so that's great. So the next thing to do is to jump into my Git client. I'm going to check out my master branch. Whoops. So let's abort that. Actually, I have to commit these changes first. Jump up to working copy and let's just call this remove underline example for FTPloy. Okay, that's fine. And we'll stage all, commit. So now that we've committed, I'll check out the master branch. I'm going to grab develop, merge it into master. Okay. Now I'm going to push. And once I push from master, it's going to update my remote site. So I'll just push from master. And you don't have to use multiple branches if you don't want to. You can just use one branch, like a straight line Git workflow or whatever it's called. But I've been messing around with gitflow. So anyway, let me jump over here and go to my live site, and I'll refresh the page. Underlines are gone. So it's that easy. Just push and it deploys.